Good morning, myself Purnima Dikshit ma'am, taking science here, moving on to the end of the lesson, animals and their young ones. So children, at the end of the lesson, as I have prepared various video for you all to know the various kind of topics. At the end, children, we are going to discuss about the keywords and the summary of the lesson. So we start going through the keywords first. The first keyword is reproduction. As you know, children, in this chapter you have come to know about two various kind of reproduction. The animals give birth to young ones either or they lay eggs. So reproduction first, the process by which new living beings resembling their parents are produced is called reproduction. So this is the definition of reproduction, children. Moving on to the next, which you learned in this lesson, is life cycle. So let us know what is the life cycle, children. Life cycle is the various stages of development of a living being. From the egg stage to the adult stage is called the life cycle. So you have learned the various kind of life cycle in this lesson. The life cycle of a frog, the life cycle of a butterfly. So you have understood what is a life cycle all about. Moving on to the next, we learned about metamorphosis. So let us see what is metamorphosis, children. Metamorphosis. Complete change of the larva to an adult is called metamorphosis. Let's move on to the summary of the lesson, children. What is the summary? As you know that living things have the ability to reproduce. All the living beings reproduce of their own kind. Here we are talking about the animals. So animals reproduce by either laying eggs or by giving birth to babies. These are the two ways the animals reproduce. So first we talk about the egg. Let us see. An egg has a shell called the egg shell. A white jelly like substance rich in protein called the albumin and a yolk. You have studied in my video about the parts of an egg. So at the end we will discuss about the baby butterfly. A baby butterfly is a caterpillar. You know, it is first a caterpillar. This is called its larval stage. What is it called, children? It is called its larval stage. So then it becomes a pupa before it turns into a butterfly. These are the various stages of a butterfly. Now we move on to the last point which we learned at the end of that lesson. It is about mammals. Mammals are animals that give birth to babies. And they take care of their babies and they look after them. They protect their babies from the enemies. So in all, you have learned the various points about animals and their young ones. So remember all the points and go through this video again to know the summary of the lesson and all about the keywords which you learned. Thank you for now. Have a nice day.